Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Syd. Hey girl, hey. Guys, today is Vlogmas. Yes, I am back and I'm back to do Vlogmas. So, starting off my day, it is December 1st and I am trying to get myself together. My closet is a mess. What else is new? And I have a few things that I want to get done today. And guess who's coming with me? My SYDizens. Y'all, I have been super busy, not vlogging, but I have been on social media. I have been doing TikTok quite a bit, guys, because I got accepted into the TikTok affiliate program. So that's where I've been. I don't know if my SYDizens is on TikTok, but that's what I've been up to. I've been doing TikTok shop videos, and it's pretty good. It's going well for me. I enjoy it. Not as much as I enjoy talking to y'all, though. Not as much. But I am enjoying it, and it's paying off. But I could not forget about y'all. There's no way I was not going to pick up this camera and do Vlogmas. I haven't had any unboxing videos. But today we are going luxury shopping. I'm not sure if I'm going to purchase anything, but we're just going to see what's out there for the end of the year. So I'm going to get dressed. I actually got to do 2 TikTok videos and get dressed. I'm debating if I want to wear my natural hair out. Still, y'all know I've been growing it back from when I did the big chop and dyed it blonde. And it's just like struggling. I don't know what's going on with that. I know I really haven't been taking care of it. I just been braiding it down and throwing a wig on top. But my hair is like really struggling. I think I need like a mask. Like a really good deep conditioner and like a good mask for my hair because my ends are like so rough. I need my ends clipped, and I'm debating if I want to just keep wearing wigs or if I want to get it braided, like some type of protective style. I'm not sure, but right now I just slicked it into like 2 little pigtails in the back, so I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do. But I'm about to get dressed, bust out these 2 videos really quick, upload them to TikTok, and then we're probably gonna go to the King of Prussia Mall. I do want to get to New York, guys. Have y'all seen the new Louis Vuitton store that opened in New York? It's really big, and then I think they have a floor where they sell Louis Vuitton chocolates, things like that. I would love to get to that. I know I probably can't do that today. Maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure, but I definitely want to get to that. And then I have a trip planned in a couple days. Y'all know babe's birthday is coming up, so I'm not sure what we're doing for dinner for him. But I have a few things planned for us for Vlogmas. Yes, yeah, so that's about it. So I'm going to get dressed, and I will call y'all back right after I get dressed. Little ballerinas. Oh, ballerinas. They're like all over. Okay, I am back from the mall and I have unboxing and a lot of samples. Oh my goodness, look at all these samples. So many samples. Babe, some of these are for you. Yeah, this one's mine. She hooked your girl up with some samples. And then these are for you, babe.
Okay.
She wrote your name on them. These must be the men's. Oh my goodness. Look at this. These are for babe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different samples, babe. You have to try them out, see which ones you like. Maybe Santa bring you one for Christmas. It was so busy in the store, guys. I wonder if that fireplace is gonna make it look weird. I hope not. But it was so busy in the store, I had to wait. We waited like 2 hours. Because I didn't have an appointment and she was super busy, but I waited because that's my girl. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing with you guys. I got a few things, but the other 2 items I got are for Christmas. So I'm just gonna unbox these. And you already know what these are, right? When you see them in these boxes. So let's just unbox. And we're gonna devalue my Birkin today, okay? Oh, they're still in the plastic. So I got me some winter twillies to go on my bag. I'm gonna take off the pink ones. And I always get 2. I see people, they might do 1, but I like to have 2 twillies on my handle so I don't ruin it with hand sanitizer. Because I use a lot of hand sanitizer. And y'all know I couldn't record while I was in a store because they don't allow it. So I don't want to get yelled at or looked at funny. So I don't never try to record. Unless I'm like in Neiman's. I think babe did get a few clips when we was in Cartier. So y'all will see all of that. But here is my twilly. And this is like the... I guess this is like the ice cream something, but it's all like different ice creams on here. It's so cute and colorful, but it goes with the black as well in my Pegasus. So I won't have to change that. But we're gonna take the stickers off because I never took the stickers off in my Birkin. So now we're gonna take the stickers off and we're gonna try to change these twillies. So bear with me because this is gonna be my first time. They wanted me to have my essay do it, but I said I want to learn how to do it myself. Here is Lady B. So I'm going to take the stickers off, y'all. Oh my goodness. Let's take the stickers off, babe. I'm about to take my stickers off. One is already peeling, but I'm going to take it off now. All right, y'all. So I'm going to take the stickers off. This one is already peeling off. That's one. I think there's a sticker on here as well. So I want to take the stickers off of there. The other one. I think it's a sticker on here. So I can't get the stickers off. I'll do that part later, but let's do the twillies. Let's see. Let's take the knot out over here. this on. And maybe I should take the tag off. First time for everything. There's my little knot. It's not giving raggedy. It's not giving raggedy, babe.
No.
All right. I think I got it. Boom, boom, boom.
You got it?
I got it. And I'm going to do the other side. Looking cute. Smooches. Ice cream jockey. Funny ice cream. That's what it says on there. There we go. There we go. Okay, so let me unbox this one. Yes, two of the same. Yes, I have two of the same. I like it like that. Take this tag off. And I take this tool off. I'm going to hand wash these with some gentle soap. And pack them away for the summertime. I'll eat that for the steps. Let you know it. Okay. Okay. So, I'm going to go like here, like so. Like this. No, like this. Wrap it around. And put this one here. That's not it. That's not it. Ice cream, you swing, we all swing, ice cream. This way. Twice. I'm sure I know this one. Yes. Mm-hmm. There we go. Okay, tuck it in. Okay. Voila. She's cute. She's cute. I put my friend back on. And she's done. She's given a whole new bag. Okay, guys, that is it for this Vlogmas Day 1. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all like my new twillies. And yeah, so that is it for tonight, guys. And I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.